everyone, this is Marilynn and welcome back to the Artistry Corner. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with other amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, including the playlist. So be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. In today's video, I am going to be making a flower pot scene using this cute 3D garden shorts with this extra large coaster as the base. I'm going to be using a white picket fence. I'm going to be using some dried flowers, Arteza, acrylics and gold, pigments from Let's Resin and Brown, Resin, alcohol ink and olive green, polyurethane resin, epoxy resin, and the resin crete from JDiction. All of the products will be linked in the description down below. So, without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. The first thing I want to work with is the base of the scene, which will be the coaster. I'll be using some polyurethane resin. Let me get this ready. Okay, as you know, I have a 2-minute work time with this, so I already poured my part 1A and B from the polyurethane. Mix it up a little bit. Once it starts getting warm, that's when I like to pour it, and I like to mix in my colors in the middle of it, just because I don't have a lot of time. So this is going to be the ground of the scene. Put a little bit of the caramel. There we go, that's a nice green. It's getting warm quick. Okay. Bubble. Okay, we're going to give it about 10 minutes to cure, and then we will continue with the next step. Decided I'm going to try to put in the white picket fence now, but if I can't, I'll do it with the epoxy. Put this one to the side and let's start working on the resin crete. Okay, looks like I'm going to need about 200 grams of the resin crete, so I need 60 grams of water. So I'm going to assume it's like a pancake batter consistency. I do need a tray. Okay, so the polyurethane is already cured. Looks good. This is the color I was kind of going for because I am using these dried flowers, a little bit of greenery, and let me just mix a little bit with resin here. Some of these dried flowers. Okay, now I'm just waiting on this to be dried. Oh, it's warm. And then we can demold and do the final accents. So in the meantime, I'll wait until this cures and I'll be back. This is ready. I'm just gonna demold. Okay, it's time to get it cured and for the review. Okay, it's ready. Demolding time. It looks so cute. So cute. Send the back of it down a little bit. Everything else looks good. Tomorrow I can just spray paint it with some clear gloss or just matte. Put a little soil and maybe a cactus. But this is such a cute flower pot. Let me know what you think. Hope you liked how the flower pot turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to check out all the amazing creators participating in the Coasting Through the Week collaboration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.